Mm-hmm. This is one of the first songs that I wrote. And I actually started writing it when I was on a plane, like the one I put up that I wrote yesterday. But this is from 14 years ago when I was flying back from California to West Virginia, flying over the desert. It's where like the song was kind of born. I got my kid out here, so see if we can get through it. And the crows are cawing, and I like their music much better. Anyway, here you go. When our bodies mingle, they shine with green and gold. Azure blue, can you see it too? And a red that matches the desert floor. The river of our love, it bends in the shape of a heart. It's pleasing to the spirits who fly high enough to see it. All that is earth and me, my flower, my trees, it's my nature to give it to you. Hey, come here. Autumn's bloom has ended. It blankets the forest floor. I rise with you beside me. The morning sky brighter than it was before. The light that shines through you has the fullness of the sun. You hold the lantern that brightens my love. And all that is sky and me, my stars, my breeze, it's my nature to give it to you. It's my nature to give it to you. I had a really sweet distraction. Sorry. I just kept going. I really had the intent to. Hey, stay away from the rose bushes. This kid's not used to rose bushes. They're real thorny. I've had the intent to make a recording like this of every song I've written, so I can't get them to where they're not flawed, and I'm not even trying that approach, so I'm just happy to have done that. And I'm really grateful to say that I've still got a long way to go, and I'm just so grateful to life and to nature and creation and the universe for giving me song. Just so grateful, and I'm so happy to be able to share that. So if you made it this far through this video, thank you for hearing and being here, and look at those beautiful trees in this beautiful orange grove. Yeah. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna enjoy the music of the crow. Keep coming back. They're messing with the hawk, or the hawk's messing with their nests, and they're chasing the hawks down. See ya.